Hello everyone, my name is Latika Arora and today we are going to talk about a very important topic. It is how to integrate multilingual content for Tier 2 or Tier 3 city audience. While most freelancers chase metro clients, there is a massive untapped market waiting in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. Over 400 million Indians in smaller cities are coming online, but they want content that speak their language, literally. Most freelancers ignore this goldmine because they don't know how to create multilingual content for their audience. So here is the solution. Here is how to tap into this market. Learn bilingual editing, master subtitle integration, and understand regional cultural references. This is not just translation, it's a cultural adaptation. Start with popular regional languages like Hindi, Tamil, Sindhi, Telugu, Bengali, Gujarati. Use culturally relevant visuals and fast to master subtitle timings and regional font support. Learn voiceover synchronization for double content. Freelancers doing this are charging 30 to 50% higher rate with less competition. Regional businesses desperately need this service. Don't let language barriers limit your freelancing potential. The next big opportunity is speaking your audience language. Thank you for watching this.